Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Miro versus Lucid. We'll dive into their core functionalities, exploring what makes each platform unique. Miro shines as a versatile online whiteboard for dynamic collaboration, while Lucidchart excels in structured diagramming and visual communication. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool best suits your team's specific needs, whether it's for brainstorming, project planning, or detailed process mapping. Miro truly stands out with its expansive, infinite canvas, perfect for freeform brainstorming sessions and agile team workshops. Imagine hundreds of sticky notes, images, and documents all organized in one place, with everyone contributing in real time. It integrates seamlessly with over 100 popular applications, making it a central hub for diverse project activities. This flexibility makes Miro an excellent choice for creative and dynamic team environments. Lucidchart, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for professional diagramming and visual documentation. It offers thousands of industry-standard shapes and templates, allowing you to create precise flowcharts, network diagrams, and organizational charts with ease. Its data linking capabilities can automatically update diagrams from spreadsheets, saving countless hours. While Lucidspark provides a whiteboard, Lucidchart is the go-to for structured, detailed visual communication. So, which tool is better for you? If your team thrives on open-ended brainstorming, creative workshops, and agile project management, Miro is likely your ideal choice. However, if your primary need is structured diagramming, process mapping, or creating detailed technical documentation, Lucidchart will serve you exceptionally well. Consider your team's main activities. Both offer robust features, but their strengths lie in different areas of visual collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.